Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I am in my laundry room and I've done a DIY laundry detergent before, and I wanted to share something with you this time, a little bit different, and it's kind of like a DIY laundry detergent, but might be a little bit simpler. Let me just show you. If you don't like maybe the plain DIY laundry detergent, some people don't like it maybe because it doesn't suds or whatever. Some people like to see the suds, or so. This is another way to kind of make your own laundry detergent, maybe a little bit cheaper to make it, but and this is kind of, I don't know how to explain it, but this is another way I also do it. Kind of saves us some money and get our bang for a buck, per se. So, I'm just going to share this and you can try it, see how you like it. But anyway, we have these two ice cream buckets, okay? And we've got Arm & Hammer stain fighter with the Oxy stain fighter laundry detergent, okay? And what I do is I put half in each one of these, okay? I just split it up in the two buckets. And I also get some, we also have some OxyClean, and we get baking soda. I keep my baking soda in another Oxy bucket, and borax, okay? I'm thinking that's it. So what I do is, and I don't have particular measurements, so please don't ask me for measurements, because I don't do the measurements really, per se. I just kind of try to half it in each box, and then I usually just get a couple of scoops extra of, like, these big scoops extra, 2 or 3 scoops, maybe, however much you want, extra of the OxyClean. It's kind of on your judgment. Okay. And I pour this borax in there first of all, okay? And I mix that in there. I don't pour all of it because I still have some left. So you just kind of have to judge it. I may even pour some more, actually. You just kind of have to judge it. And I'm sorry if I'm all over the place. I'm trying to hold it. And do this at the same time. And then just kind of mix it in there. I've already poured all this stuff up in here. And then the baking soda, I usually just open it, and I usually, let's see, that's a little scoop in it, yeah. I usually get like the big scoop and put 2 or 3 big scoops of baking soda in there. So I get it, I want my bucket full, pretty full. So anyway, I get them, you know, as full as I can, and I get it mixed up really good. So you can shake it or stir it with something or whatever. And that way, then you have, instead of just this one little box that'll last you a week, you know, or maybe 2, you've got these big old buckets that'll last much longer. So, you know, and then you still have more OxyClean, you still have more baking soda, and you still have more borax. So, and then you have these two big things, and the only thing you've used up is your Arm & Hammer detergent. So anyway, I usually keep my borax in here, which I can't open it with one hand. But I just wanted to share that with you. So yeah, I'll have to get it stirred up real good. But and I'm sorry I'm all over the place. It's hard for me to hold this and do it with one hand. But if you want to give it a try, it really does save a lot of money. And this is easier for me to lift in this bucket like this. And I can put the lid on it too and shake it up. And also, I even get some oils. So I don't know if I can do this with one hand, but you can get like peppermint oil or lavender oil, whatever you've got. You know, just whatever kind of oils you want. And sprinkle some natural oils in there and give it a nice smell. And makes it smell good. So, you know, you might want to try that if you don't want to try the other one that I posted, you know, years ago. Because this, you know, the Arm & Hammer here is a good detergent. So, because it is made by Arm & Hammer. And it does have some OxyClean in it. So, I do like this laundry detergent. I just like adding more OxyClean. I like adding some more Arm & Hammer baking soda and more borax to it, though, when I'm going to split it up and make, you know, my bigger, like I said, I like to stretch it, and that's what I do, and it saves me money. So anyway, you might want to give that a try. And I know I like doing it. So if you give this a try, comment down below and tell me what you think. And yeah, just let me know what you think of it. And thanks for watching. Please share. And please subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And I hope you like this. So thanks for watching and have a blessed day. Bye now.